Isa sa mga signs na meron ka mga traumatic experience during your childhood days is you over-explain. Based on my research kasi if yung tao is lagi nag-over-explain and lagi nang gina-justify yung opinion nila every time na meron kumokontra maybe ng bata sila is they don't feel heard, they don't feel seen. That's why lagi lang gustong itama yung feel nilang mali sa ibang tao. They want to be right all the time. Maybe yung mga parents nila, mga friends nila is hindi nila pinakinggan yung side nila and people just assume that they did the wrong thing. Like hindi na sila nakapag-explain. Right now, maybe ikaw nag-over-explain ka. Ngayon, na matanda ka na, nagre-reflect yon yung experience mo during your childhood days you want to justify yourself. Na gusto mong i-prove na tama ka, na mali yung iniisip nila. Wag mong gawin na if meron lang kumontra sa opinion mo is para mag-offer ka na ng resume, na para bang magja-job application ka natin na, ay tama kasi ako, ganyan. Parang magkukorte ka natin na, no, mali yung iniisip mo. No talaga Do not over-explain your presence all the time if people don't get it. If yung tao is close-minded, like feel nila sila yung tama all the time, walang kwenta yung pag-over-explain mo You just waste your energy, your laway, lahat nagwa-waste ka lang talaga ng time. Feel nila sila lang yung tama and hindi sila open for constructive criticism. Useless lahat na pag-over-explain mo kasi they will always believe what they believe. The best thing you can do is just shut up. Literally, shut up. Kontrolin mo yung sarili mo na wag ka na magsalita. If alam mo naman deep inside na yung ginagawa mo is tama and wala ka namang naapakang mga rights dyan, or mga karapatan, mga environmental rights dyan, it's better to shut up. Only explain if necessary. If involved na talaga yung family, super mali na talaga explain, communicate. Communicate in a formal way. Hindi yung parang, wala ka kasi putang ina. Stop over-explaining na Like, stop it. Stop the car. Stop it. Okay, pati ate. That's all for more.